Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today I'm going to create some beautiful home decor that you could use any place in your home. So I'm going to start with this beautiful Mercury glass. This is, or it was, rose gold colored, but it has since faded to a beautiful pink, sort of oxidized down a little bit. I had this for quite a few years and haven't used it. I saw it in my stash when I was cleaning up and putting all the Christmas items away. So I pulled it out and said, I'm going to use this. I'm going to also be using that beautiful pearl and rhinestone peel and stick that you see. This is going to be the first part of the video. And I'm going to start by just cleaning it up a little bit, making sure that I've removed all the fingerprints and any oils that might still be on my fingers that transferred to the vase. So the peel and stick I picked up from my discount store. It was $1.25 each. And my Mercury glass I had for years, guys, more than 10 years. I think I got it from either the discount store or I got it from my thrift store. I'm just going to apply that rhinestone and pearl peel and stick to the outer perimeter, the upper edge there on the Mercury glass vase, making sure that it's adhered really nicely, pressing it down into place as I apply it. And honestly, guys, those two look good together. So now using a plate from the Dollar Tree. This is a 10-inch plate. I picked that up years ago when things costed $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take that same peel and stick decoration and I'm going to apply it to the outer perimeter of the plate. And I'm going to lay it down as evenly as I can. Because the plate is round and the peel and stick is straight, it is a bit of a challenge to get it to kind of lay in a round position. But with the rest of the project that I'm going to be doing on the plate, hopefully I can disguise the fact that it just doesn't look as even as I would love it to look. So just looking at the two pieces together, I see that they look really nice together. They're going to go beautifully together. So now what I'm going to do is use some of my mounting tape. This is the rest of the mounting tape that I had This is about 2 inches wide. Guys, I love using mounting tape to adhere glass to glass. It sticks extremely well, so I won't be using hot glue today to do that, and I'm certainly not going to use any permanent adhesives because this is really going to be a temporary home decor piece that I'm going to have up in my home and then put the Mercury glass vase away. So now I'm going to get out my floral foam, and I'm just going to cut a couple of pieces down to size, and then I'm going to hot glue them onto the plate. So now for the floral decorations, I'm going to use these 4 peonies that I picked up from my thrift store. Guys, these 4 peonies look just as clean and beautiful 4 or 5 years ago when I picked this up as they do today. Once I'm done using something, guys, I will wrap it back up and put it in a clear plastic bag, label things just to make sure that they look organized and sealed throughout the rest of the year or when I'm not using them. But these peonies are absolutely beautiful. But anyway, I got the peony flowers. They feel like silk. They look absolutely beautiful. They look new. And really, I just paid $1.25 for them. So now I'm going to take and push them into the floral foam. So now, as you can see, I need to put in some filler flowers and some other greenery to help disguise that floral foam that we see peeking through. And so I'm going to be using this box of flowers that I've had for a couple of years. I picked up 2 versions of this type of flowers. Guys, this cost me, I think, $6 years ago. And you get all this flower inside. You get these different flowers. You get this greenery. You get all this stuff inside. And at the time I bought it, I did pick up a couple of boxes. But as you can see, these flowers are absolutely beautiful. Some of them are crushed in the box. But guys, I do recommend, this is a tip, that you can use a warm flat iron or you could use steam just to reshape them and get them back into their beautiful look. So I'm going to show you the pieces I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to use some of the larger flowers, a couple of them, that's closest to the colors of our peonies. And I'm just going to start filling those 2 into the spaces where I can see the most of the floral foam. After that, I'm going to use this lovely leafy flower, and I'm just going to just fill that in, put enough of it in, zhuzh it into place, and just use as filler. Just to add a different color and texture, I'm going to use this viney leafy green right here. I'm going to cut this down a little bit, and I'm going to stick that in on top. I'm going to place it around the flowers just to, give it a little bit of extra color and to fill in any spaces that still might be visible. So for the lighting for this, I plan on using either these pink fairy lights, which are really nice, and I realized I could use them on the outside of the vase as well, maybe drape them around the flowers. That idea looks really, really nice. Or I'm going to use this little flame wave home decor fire piece. Guys, this doesn't get hot. Someone asked me years ago, did this get hot? It doesn't get hot, but it gives the look of a fire inside the vase. I love the way that looks. And so I plan on using it that way. That looks so pretty. And that flame wave device is rechargeable. So you just use your USB and you just charge it that way. So anyway, guys, I love the way this looks. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.